We don't see our systems coming in from that direction, but we've had a low that's been pushing some moisture into our southeast counties, and it is slowly falling apart. We had a lot more thunderstorm activity earlier as this was crossing West Virginia, and this low does not look all that great right now, kind of ragged looking as it's starting to slide up the east coast. But it is going to be a feature that we'll be watching over the next 24 hours before it exits out of our area, and then a cold front to the west starts to move back in. Right now, the Window Nation Tower camera, it is a beautiful look outside this evening. Temperature-wise, still comfortable. We've cooled off just a bit, upper 50s to lower 60s at this hour. Winds are not all that strong outside. In fact, we have calm conditions now out at the airport. Humidity is high, so the atmosphere is starting to get a little bit more primed to actually see some rain falling. Now, as we head through the morning hours tomorrow, I think for the Buckeyes spring game, if you're getting out before the game, temperature should be around 64 at 10 a.m. We'll get up to about 72 as they start the game right around noon. Just after noon they'll start. And during the game, we'll see maybe an isolated pop-up or two developing late into the game tomorrow. I think for the most part, though, most of us are going to be dry during the afternoon hours. We're going to have one or two pop-ups in the western side of that low, and temperatures will continue to warm back into the upper 70s. Later tomorrow night, the crew is back at it about 7:30. They'll be starting off their match and expecting beautiful weather for the crew tomorrow evening. We'll see mixed clouds, kickoff at about 74 degrees. By the second half of the game, we should be back into the lower 70s, and by the tail end, we should be seeing, after that 90th minute, temperatures still right around 70 degrees or so. It's going to be a pretty mild night tomorrow night because we are out ahead of the cold front. So short term, we're going to see quiet weather for the most part this evening, couple showers to the south, but the threat for strong storms will return by the second half of the weekend on Sunday. So tonight we'll watch those showers kind of slowly falling apart as they approach the city through the overnight hours. Now, that low is still going to be anchored off towards the east. So on the western edge of it, we are going to continue to see scattered showers overnight tonight and through the morning hours tomorrow. Now, as that low begins to pull a little further away during the heating of the afternoon, you'll notice a couple of isolated pop-ups, but the better chances will be further to the east, closer to the low. So that's why I'm saying not everyone's going to see rain during the day tomorrow. And then tomorrow evening, we will dry things out, get between systems, and then we get ready for this cold front to arrive. Winds will start to pick up Sunday morning. We'll see a couple of isolated showers by Sunday about midday, but the better chance of thunderstorms will come mid to late afternoon Sunday with a cold frontal boundary. You can see it here, and that should be pushing through the city between about 4 and 5 o'clock. It looks like as of now on Sunday, and behind it, numbers are going to take a big fall for Monday. So tonight, middle to upper 50s for overnight lows, running well above normal for this time of the year. As we head into the day tomorrow, it is still going to be a very mild day. We'll have a couple of isolated pop-up showers, maybe a rumble of thunder mainly east of the city. Afternoon high temperature of 77. We'll get up to 75 with rain showers around midday, and then thunderstorms later in the day on Sunday at 75. Cold, breezy, and rainy on Monday, just 48 for the high. We'll clear a little on Tuesday, still cool at 54, and then warming mid-60s Wednesday and mid to upper 70s Thursday and Friday.